The two new teams we all were anxiously and desperately waiting for since last 2 months are Hyderabad and Sialkot. So FSK Group and Oz developers are the official owners of these two teams. A lot of suspense was involved throughout the auction. Base price की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो 110 crore team 1 की 140 पे गई, 142 पे. Then I2C tried to have an influence throughout the auction, but unfortunately it was the FSK Group. 155 की बिड पे भी आए वो लोग, बट FKS घर से इरादा करके आए थे कि उन्होंने टीम ओन करनी है, एंड दे डिड सो कंसिडरिंग द फैक्ट कि 1-2C ने 170 करोड़ पे भी आने की कोशिश की. बट जिस तरह से मैसिव नंबर्स में प्राइस इंक्रीज हुई जा रही थी FSK की तरफ से, एंड दे एंडेड अप owning this new team, grabbing this new team. Officially Hyderabad is the new team. Yes, the complete name is still to be revealed, but for now Hyderabad is the officially named team. Here I'd like to congratulate to all the Hyderabadi fans waiting out there. और बड़ा iconic stadium भी है वहाँ पे, न्यास stadium, जो कि वहाँ पे भी hopefully matches host किए जाएंगे PSL की तरफ से. So let's see and hope for the very best. Once again congratulations to FKS groups and all the Hyderabadi fans. जिस तरह की massive prices के साथ FKS was coming in, it was getting extremely challenging and difficult for the other bidders to get in the auction, in fact to compete in the auction. Now comes the 8th team and the most awaited one. और जब मैंने इसकी base price सुनी, I was stunned. It was an insanely huge amount. 170 crore की इसकी base price थी. Aim Next से start की, I2C की यहाँ पे भी involvement थी. फिर Aim Next 172 से 173 crores पे आए, 175 crore पे 1-2C आए. बट till now ये लग रहा था कि इनका upper hand है. उसके बाद out of nowhere Oz developers आए और 178 करोड़ की प्राइस उन्होंने अनाउंस की. इनफैक्ट इसके बाद तो जो CEO थे सलमान नसीर, ही वाज लाइक ऑल द पास्ट रिकॉर्ड्स हैव ब्रोकन. जिस तरह से मैसिवली प्राइस में इंक्रीज देख रहे थे, एट दिस मोमेंट whole country was involved in this auction. Maybe I can say a lot of people from over the globe were involved. A lot of suspense and excitement was there. Obviously PSL is growing from 6 to 8 is something that we all should cherish for. और यहाँ पे we are grateful for all the contributions from the CEO Salman Nasir, Mohsin Naqvi above all, and the whole management that was respectively involved in making this possible. Then OZ Groups once again bounced back with again a huge amount of 185 crores. Absolutely unreal scenes were being observed at Jinnah Convention Center. But 185 crores was the price that led OZ developers to own its 8th PSL franchise. To wrap it up, Sialkot and Hyderabad are the two new teams we'll be looking upon in this upcoming HPL PSL's 11th edition.